Hi friends, I hope you are enjoying your spring break so far. I just thought it would be a fun afternoon to do another little directed drawing together. There are a lot of friends in my class that love unicorns, so today's directed drawing is going to be of a unicorn. So you're just going to start with a piece of paper horizontally like this. Again, you can start by drawing it in pencil first and then tracing it in marker. And in the end, you can color in your unicorn with markers, with crayons, with colored pencil, with watercolor paints. I'm going to color in my unicorn with these solid tempera paints. They're called Quick Sticks, and we have used them in class, and they're pretty cool. They're just like a solid paint stick. So that is what I will be using to color in my unicorn. All right, are you ready to get started? Again, pause the video anytime and have fun with it. It's okay to make mistakes, and we're here to draw together. All right, so first I'm going to start kind of in this upper corner right there, and I'm just going to draw a circle. That is going to be the eye of my unicorn. So just a simple circle up there. And then I'm going to do a half circle, and then another smaller half circle. And I'm going to go ahead and just color in that middle part right away. I colored in that middle part right away. And then I'm going to add some eyelashes. So 1, 2, 3. I added in a couple eyelashes right there. All right, now we are going to finish making the rest of our unicorn's head. So I'm going to kind of start where the eyelashes are, and I am going to make a curve like that. So just one curve like that. And then I'm going to make a curve going in the opposite direction, kind of a straight line down, and then curve it around to make the rest of the unicorn's head. All right, from there you can add a little smiley face and maybe like a little nostril so the unicorn can breathe. And now we're going to have fun with the mane and the ear and the hair. So straight above the eyeball, I'm going to make a skinny triangle and connect it. And then I'm going to follow just a curved line right there. That's going to be one ear. And now I'm going to make the unicorn's hair in the front. So first I'm going to start, let's see here, right here. And I'm going to curve out like that. So one swoop. And then I'm going to follow it and then just connect like that. Which is something every unicorn needs. Unicorn horn. So that is what I'm going to make next. So coming out of the hair, I'm going to make a straight line up and follow another straight line up and then make more of a point at the top. And then to make it look like the unicorn head has a kind of a swirl shape to it, I'm going to make a curved line, space, 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 curved line, space. There's my unicorn horn. And then if you want to add a little bit more mane to it, I'm going to add a little bit more hair. I'm going to kind of just make a curve there, kind of coming out and then coming back through like that. And then just kind of connect my hair like that. And then if you want, you can make another little triangle on top, and that can be her other ear. So I'm going to continue with this mane, this beautiful unicorn mane, and I'm going to make a curve like that. Make another curve like this. Again, you can kind of get creative and do as many little curve shapes and just connect the pieces back. So I'm going to make another curve out like that, and then just connect it back. Maybe you start right here, another curve, connect it back, another curve, connect it back. You can make the hair all long and crazy as much as you want. I'll do another curve and connect it back, and maybe one more down here and connect it back. So now we have the unicorn's mane hair. Now we are going to work on the unicorn's body and the front legs. So from the chin right here, I'm just going to draw kind of like a slim curve and then come out. So it's kind of like an S shape. Then I'm going to go straight out, curve, straight down, curve, and then straight back, up, and over. So it's kind of like a weird rectangle. And then just another curve to make the little hoof. And then you're just going to follow this line straight up, keeping the same spacing. And then over here, I'm going to make a slight curve and connect it. That is the front leg. Now we're going to make one of the back legs. So for the back leg, I'm going to start by the mane and just kind of go straight back and then make one big curve. So go straight back and make one big curve and stop right about where you started there. Give this a little space, kind of move it over, go up a little bit, and we are making the back leg. So I'm going to make another curve like this. All right, now we're going to go straight down and curve and go straight out a little bit, cross, and you're going to just come right back up. And again, make a little hoof. And then this part right here, you're just going to slightly connect it with a little curve. All right, now we got the back leg. We are going to connect these two legs by starting kind of in the middle here and just go all the way back, just like that. All right, now we are going to work on the tail. We have a beautiful big layered tail. So I'm going to start right here and make one big curve. And go down and swoop out. And then you're just going to follow that same motion. And then when you swoop out, you're just going to connect. Whoops. Gotta back up. All right. Now I'm just going to keep going with some of these curved motions and just add a lot of layers to my tail. So I'll come out like this, make another curve, maybe go the other way, curve out, again come back down and connect, curve out, come around and connect, maybe curve out this way, and come down and connect. So a nice big tail right there. Beautiful tail right there. All right, now we gotta finish making the other two back legs. So on this side, I'm gonna go about straight down like that, and then maybe out a little bit wider and come down straight like that, and then just connect, make a hoof. And then on the back leg, part of the back leg is going to be covered up by the tail, but same thing, just kind of going straight down, have those kind of line up there, connect, and make a hoof. So, got the back leg there. Now it's time for the fun part. You can add a little detail to it. You can add some stars, you can add a rainbow, a shamrock if you want. I'm just going to go ahead and add a couple stars just for some fun details on my unicorn. Some sparkle stars. All right, so there I have my unicorn, and now I'm going to go ahead and start coloring my unicorn in. All right, I'm going to start with this hot pink. And then just paint in part of my tail. And these paints, you can't make it perfect, but it adds some texture and some fun, vibrant colors. I'm gonna color in another part of my mane. And then a part of my unicorn horn. All right, now I'm gonna add some orange. Color in another part of the tail. Part of the mane. And a part of the unicorn horn. And I'm gonna go with yellow. Oh, this yellow's fun, bright neon yellow. And there we go. Green. Coloring one of my stars green. And you know what? I'm actually going to add another little part of the tail so I can get another color in. See? You can just keep adding and make it your own. I'm going to do a little blue. Alright, coloring a star. Hair. Another part of the hair. Alright. Purple. Star. Mane. Part of the mane. And I'm just going to add a little more pink to the top. And then maybe color in a little kind of pink cheek there. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to go back in with my silver and just add the silver to the rest of my unicorn. Again, doesn't have to be perfect, just have fun with it. We're all just drawing together. Up to the hooves, and the head here. Blend it in a little bit. Alright, and there we go. I hope you guys had a lot of fun drawing a unicorn with me, and I miss you guys so much. Have a great rest of your spring break. Oh, one thing we forgot to do, write our names. I'm going to write my name, let's see here, right by the tail, I think, on the side there. Miss Vogel. All right, there we go. All right, have a good one, guys. Thank you.